Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Bentley Continental GT easy method. Turn off electronics and engage the parking brake before connecting jumper cables. Start by locating the battery or designated jump points and verify both batteries have similar voltage. Prepare good quality jumper cables and position the donor vehicle safely. I'll guide you step by step for safe connections, initial start attempts, and post-start checks to avoid damage. Begin by ensuring clamps are not touching and cable insulation is intact for safety. Connect red to positive on the Bentley, then red to positive on the donor battery, maintaining clear visibility of connections. Next, attach the black clamp to the donor negative terminal and the final black clamp to an unpainted metal grounding point on the Bentley, away from the battery itself. Double-check clamps are secure before attempting to start the donor vehicle. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable, durable wear during roadside work. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more easy car guides and gear tips. I'll leave a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. With cables connected and the donor idling, allow a few minutes to transfer charge and stabilize voltage before cranking the Bentley. Attempt to start the Bentley. If it starts, let it run for several minutes to recharge the battery. If it doesn't start, stop and recheck all clamps for firm contact and absence of corrosion, then allow more charge time and try again. Never crank for prolonged periods to avoid starter damage or overheating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.